Hi, my dear students. Hello, parents. Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sri Damodar Raghuji Memorial English Medium School. Children, in our previous class, we have studied about the water pollution and uses of the water. Yes, no, children? And children, I hope you all are studying well. And we have to send the homeworks regularly. We are not getting homeworks regularly, so you must and should send the homeworks regularly. Okay, children? See these pictures. See these pictures. What you can see here? Here plants are there and land is there. Yes, no, children? Today we are going to learn about the what? Earth. Today we are going to learn about the earth. Children, where will you? Where will you? We live on the earth. We live on the earth. Yes, no, children? We built our home on the earth. And children, what all you can see on the earth? Like plants, trees, water, mountains, hills, animals, human beings. We can see all these, no? On the earth. Earth means what? Land. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಲ. ಭೂಮಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಅರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇವ್ ಅವರ್ ಅರ್ತ್. What? We should save our earth. Let's learn about the earth. The earth is a planet of solar system. Children, do you know about the planets? Okay, children, you will learn about the planets in your next class, means first standard, second standard. Our earth is also one planet. The shape of the earth is round. How it is? The shape of the earth is round. And on the earth, we can see 70% of the earth's surface is covered by water. 70% of the earth's surface is covered by water and remaining 30% is covered by land. That is where we live on. 70% of the earth's surface is covered by water. Only earth planet is suitable for life. Only earth planet is suitable for life. Why? Because we all get our needs on the earth, like air, food, water. So it is the suitable place to live. The earth has large amount of water. Around 70% of earth's surface it's covered with water. For that reason only all living beings are there on the earth. Sometimes it is called as the blue planet because of water. Because of water, earth is suitable place to live. Because of water, earth is a suitable place to live. Sometimes we called as a blue planet. Why? Because earth has covered by large amount of water. So we call as blue planet. Earth is made up of land and water. We all live on the land. Earth is made up of land and water. Have you seen now, children? Ocean, seas. Okay. So, Earth is made up of land and water. We all live on the land. That means Earth. The model of the Earth is called globe. We all live on the Earth. Earth is our home. The model of the Earth is called globe. We all live on the Earth. Earth is our home. See, it is a structure of Earth. It is a structure of Earth. Means our Earth looks like this. Children, we came to know our Earth is made up of water and land. So, land. On the land, what we can see? What we can see? Soil. Yes, no, children? Have you seen the soil? Soil means what? Mud. Mud andre Mannu. So, we will learn about the soil. Soils are not same. It depends on areas. Soils are not same. It depends on areas. There are different types of soils. There are different types of soils. It means, children, ಮಣ್ಣು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Have you seen, no, children, different types of soils like red soil, black soil, and grey soil and white soil? That is only we will learn today. There are different types of soils. Let's see what are those. You see here in this picture, you can see 3 types of soils. It is a red soil, and it is black soil, and it is sandy soil. Red soil andre ಕೆಂಪು ಮಣ್ಣು, black soil andre ಕಪ್ಪು ಮಣ್ಣು, and sandy soil andre ಮರಳು. ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮರಳು ಅಥವಾ ಉಸುಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Let's see about the red soil. Children, where you see red soil? Where you see red soil? Did you go to Bidar or Humnabad? Did you go, children? Yes, in Humnabad and Bidar, mostly we can see red soil. And in our Kalburgi also we can see red soil. That is in garden or playground, and in our pot. Yes, no, children? Red soil, it is useful to grow plants. Why do we use red soil? To grow plants. We use red soil to gardening, and also red soil we use to make garden, and also red soil we use it for clay models like Lord Ganesha, cow, etc. Children, do you know about the clay models? Children, why do you use red soil? To grow plants and to make models. Now let us see about the black soil. What is this? Black soil. Black soil andre ಕಪ್ಪು ಮಣ್ಣು. Children, where do you see black soil? Yes, children, in the fields. Fields means ಹೊಲಗಳು. Children, did you go to fields? Yes, children, we can see black soil in the fields, and normally we can see black soil in more places. Yes, no, children? Yes, children. So, in the black soil we can grow crops. Black soil, it is used for fertilizing crops and to build the homes. Now let us see about the sandy soil. Sand means what? Sand ಅಂದರೆ ಮರಳು ಅಥವಾ ಉಸುಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಉಸುಕು. Children, have seen sandy soil? Where you have seen? We see lot of sand in desert. Where? In desert. That is in Rajasthan. Rajasthan, it is the name of the place. Yes, no, children? Children, have you seen camel? Camel will run fast on the sand. Yes, no, children? Will you run on the sand fastly? No. We cannot run fast on the sand, but camel will run fast on the sand. So sand we use it to build the houses. Children, about these soils you have one work. See, I will read the question. Collect samples of different types of soil and paste them below to observe their color and texture. I pasted here. So you have to do like this. You collect 3 types of soil and paste like this. They have given blank place. You should paste the different types of soils. Children, till now we have studied about the earth and soil. Now we learn how to save our earth. How to save our earth. We should save our earth from the polluting. We are polluting our surrounding by doing some bad activities. So, let's see what can we do for avoiding the pollution. Save the earth. We need earth and nature to live. Nature means plants, trees, water, air, mountains, hills. These are our nature. We should save all these. It is our responsibility. Yes, no, children? Now see what can we do to avoid the pollution. See in this picture, what can you see? Here one plastic carry bag is there. Yes, no, children? Do you use to plastic? Yes, no, children? So we do not use the plastic bags because it makes what? It will make pollution. So we should say what? No to plastic bags. Say no to plastic bags. We do not use the plastic bags because it gives us pollution. So say no to plastic bags. By doing these activities we can avoid the pollution. See this picture, children. What he is doing? He is cutting the trees. It is good work? No, it is not a good work. We should not cut the trees because trees gives us fresh air. So do not cut trees. What we can do? We can do not cut trees because we will get air from where? By the trees. So we should grow the trees. We should not cut the trees. By doing these activities, we can avoid the pollution. See what she is doing? She is throwing dust in the dustbin. Yes, no children? So we should use dustbins. We should not throw our garbage on the road or in the water. Yes, no children? By doing this activity, we can avoid the pollution and we can save our earth. See here what they are doing. What he is doing? He is checking pollution levels of vehicles. It means we should give the vehicles to check the pollution level. So from these we can avoid the pollution. We should check the levels of pollution levels of vehicles. Okay. Now what they are doing? They are pouring water to plant. It means we should grow more trees. What? We should grow more trees. Because from the air we get fresh air and we get food. Yes, no children? So we should grow more trees. And here they are separating the garbage like dry garbage and wet garbage and some bottles, papers. We should keep separately. Okay, sort garbage. What should we do? We should sort garbage. It is easy to dump. That's what we can do this activity. By doing this activity, we avoid the pollution. Children, till now you have seen about the what? To stop the pollution. To stop the pollution, what should we do? Till now you have learnt about the to stop the pollution. What can we do? And here you have one work. I will say what you have to do. I will read the question. Take the action that help to stop pollution. First, to observe the pictures that help to stop pollution. You should take that. First one, he is cutting the trees. He is cutting trees. It is not help to stop the pollution. Yes, no children? We should grow trees. We should not cut the trees. So it is not help to stop pollution. What should we do here? By that work, we can get stop the pollution. That picture you should take. Here, this boy is planting trees. It is helps to stop the pollution. So take it. Next one. He is throwing dirt on the road. It is not help us to stop the pollution. So it is leave like this. And they are using dustbin. It help us to stop the pollution. So take it. And using cloth or paper bags, they are not using plastic bags. So what should we do here? We should tick here because they are using cloth or paper bags. It is help us to stop the pollution. And here this boy is using plastic bag. So it is not help us to stop the pollution. So children, you should do all these homeworks and send it on WhatsApp. You must and should send the homeworks. Children, I will give writing practice. However, you got less work, so I will give writing practice. I will read the question. Write uses of the water. You should write 5 times. Write uses of the water. Bathing, cooking, drinking, washing. What? Bathing, cooking, drinking, washing. You should write 5 times and read the spellings also. Okay children? It is for your writing practice only. Okay? Read as well as spellings. And next I will give, see the pictures and write the name. What should you have to do? See the pictures and write the name. First you observe the picture. What is this? In your previous class you have seen, no? Yes, it is dam. D-A-M, dam. Write the spelling of dam. D-A-M, dam. And it is, what is this? It is lake. L-A-K-E, lake. What? L-A-K-E. You should observe the picture and write the spelling of that picture. It is a lake. L-A-K-E. These also you should write 5 times. Okay. And see this picture. What it is? It is sea. Spelling of sea. S-E-A. Sea. S-E-A. Sea. Next. What is this? It is well. I hope children you all are remembered about our previous class. Have you seen no well? Yes, spelling of well. W-E-L-L. Well. And you don't want to write one day. You should write daily one. First you should write uses of water and see the pictures and write the name. Now what it is? It is plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Now, fill in the blanks. What it is? Fill in the blanks. It is about the today's topic, okay? The shape of the earth. The shape of the earth is round. You should write round, R-O-U-N-D, round. Come to next one. Say no to plastic bags. Bags spelling B-A-G-S. Bags. And do not cut trees. C-U-T, cut. Okay. Make it correct. Do not cut trees. C-U-T, cut. Next. Grow more trees. More spelling M-O-R-E. More. Grow more trees. It is all your writing practice. You should write and send it on WhatsApp. Some of them they are not sending homework. Please, you all are must and should do homework and send on WhatsApp. Okay children, bye. Thank you.